BLNK Charging UK, a subsidiary of BLNK Charging Company, has signed a contract with North Hertfordshire Council to expand its electric vehicle (EV) charging network in the region. The company will install and operate 18 new EV charging stations in strategic locations throughout North Hertfordshire, providing greater access to reliable and efficient charging facilities for residents, businesses, and visitors. This initiative brings the total number of charging stations across Hertfordshire County to just under 1,000 units, reinforcing the region's efforts to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainable transportation. The locations for the new charging stations were chosen based on their proximity to large numbers of homes without off-street parking, ensuring that residents have access to EV chargers. The partnership between BLNK Charging UK and North Hertfordshire Council aims to accelerate the rollout of a modern and accessible charging network, enabling people to switch to electric vehicles and contributing to the district's target of being net zero by 2040. BLNK Charging UK's managing director, Alex Calnan, emphasized the company's commitment to supporting the UK's transition to electric mobility and solidifying its position as a key player in sustainable transport infrastructure. This agreement further expands BLNK Charging UK's EV charging network in the region and demonstrates the company's dedication to promoting sustainable transportation solutions. The collaboration with North Hertfordshire Council is a key part of the region's sustainability efforts, and BLNK Charging UK looks forward to continued partnerships with the Council. Similar expansion efforts have seen Envoy Technologies, a subsidiary of BLNK Charging Co. roll out its premium electric vehicle car-sharing service to 3 distinguished properties managed by East West Hospitality in Snowmass, Colorado. The properties, including Electric Pass Lodge and Snowmass Base Village, will offer guests exclusive access to high-end electric vehicles such as the Tesla Model Y and the 2025 Rivian R1S. This collaboration aims to deliver a seamless transportation experience that complements the vision of effortless luxury, enhancing the guest journey from accommodation to exploration. Envoy's intuitive mobile app enables guests to easily reserve and access the vehicles, eliminating the hassle of traditional car rentals. According to Eric Ohana, CEO and co-founder of Envoy, the partnership with East West Hospitality allows Envoy to deliver a premium mobility solution that matches the luxury of the accommodations, providing guests with the freedom to explore Snowmass and beyond in high-end vehicles. Rodrigo Trevisan, Base Village Garage, manager at East West Hospitality, emphasized that Envoy's premium vehicle service is the perfect addition to their Snowmass properties, delivering on their promise of effortless and enriching mountain getaways. This expansion builds upon Envoy's existing presence in Snowmass, where the company already provides electric vehicles to the Viceroy Hotel for its international employees. The partnership demonstrates the practical benefits of Envoy's car-sharing platform in the Snowmass community and represents an important step in Envoy's mission to bring premium mobility solutions to desirable vacation destinations. Envoy is a pioneering electric vehicle fleet technology and car-sharing service provider that offers a flagship all-electric car-sharing service for private properties. By partnering with Envoy, real estate owners and operators can introduce a cutting-edge amenity that enriches the lives of their residents, members, and guests, enhancing mobility as part of their lifestyle. To make expansions and partnerships like these more seamless in the future, BLNK, Wireless Car, and ChargeHub have partnered to launch a seamless charging pilot program in North America, aiming to simplify the charging process, making it faster, easier, and more accessible for drivers. Currently, EV drivers often face complications due to multiple app and account systems, but this pilot program aims to eliminate these barriers by offering a single app registration. With seamless charging, EV drivers can plug into BLNK chargers without logging into multiple apps or managing various accounts. After a one-time registration with the ChargeHub app and activation of seamless charging, drivers can simply plug in at any BLNK charging station and leave. This streamlined process enhances the convenience of using EVs, particularly for those without home charging access. The pilot program leverages advanced connected services to notify drivers when charging begins automatically without the need for cards, apps, or additional steps. According to Mike Battaglia, BLNK's president and CEO, this collaboration aims to improve accessibility and convenience for EV drivers, ensuring a smooth transition to electric mobility. Wireless Car CEO Nicholas Florin emphasized that seamless charging is a powerful example of how vehicle data can be turned into everyday convenience by removing friction from public EV charging. The partnership between BLNK, Wireless Car, and ChargeHub demonstrates a commitment to making the connected vehicle experience effortless and intuitive. Then on the corporate side, the company appointed Michael Berkovich as its new Chief Financial Officer, effective June 23. Berkovich brings over 20 years of experience in finance leadership roles, including serving as CFO at several companies, such as Helios Global Payment Solutions and Elements Global Services. He has a proven track record of establishing and managing global financial operations, treasury, and tax in over 40 countries, and has successfully raised over $250 million in capital through various funding sources. BLNK's president and CEO, Mike Battaglia, praised Berkovich's operational expertise and ability to drive exceptional business outcomes, stating that he will play a key role in advancing the company's mission domestically and globally. Berkovich's appointment follows the departure of Michael Rama, BLNK's previous CFO, who has decided to pursue new opportunities outside of the company. Berkovich expressed his excitement about joining the BLNK leadership team and looks forward to working with the team to build upon the company's success. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.